Namaskar and good evening. Today I am going to talk about a textile company, Nitin Spinners Limited, NITIN Spinners, Nitin Spinners Limited. It has done well in Q2. Earlier its performance was not so good, but it has done well in Q2. So you have to keep it in mind. Nitin Spinners is a recognized export house manufacturing 100% cotton yarns and fabrics. They manufacture a wide range of yarn, including open-end yarns, multifold open-end yarns, ring-spun combed yarns, multifold ring-spun yarns, S and Z twist yarns, dyeable cheese cones, and organic cotton yarns and blends. So a lot of different types of yarns. Now the company offers fabrics in Grieg form, in tubular and open width. The range includes single jersey, pick structures, interlock structures, rib structures, and threefold fleece. The company's range of products are used to manufacture products such as apparel and garments, undergarments, terry towels, woven fabrics, home furnishings, carpets, denim, industrial textiles, medical textiles, and socks. Many things. Management consists of R.L. Nolkha, Chairman, Dinesh Nolkha, Managing Director, Nitin Nolkha, Executive Director, same family. Now let us see the quarterly results. Net sales 427 crores in Q2 against just 219 crores in Q1, that is previous quarter. So quarter on quarter there is an improvement of 94.79%. Now last year same quarter Q2 373 crores. So compared to that also there is an improvement of 14.58%. So sales are 427 crores. Year on year improvement is 14.58%. Quarter on quarter improvement is 94.79%. Net profit. Net profit is 11.92 crores. Previous quarter Q1 negative loss 9.15 crores. Q2 last year 0.73 crores. Very insignificant. So year on year there is an improvement of 1500%. Quarter on quarter also 230% improvement. So net profit has improved very well. Net sales also has improved quarter on quarter very well. Year on year also to some extent. Equity. So this is why I have taken up Nitin Spinners. We have to watch Nitin Spinners next quarter also. See, it may be a one quarter wonder, but this quarter it has performed well. I have told this in Titan Biotech also. It has performed well in Q1. Q2 it has come down. It may, we'll have to watch such companies whether they will perform at least in future consistently. It is possible. Basic EPS is 2.12. You can imagine. Previous quarter loss, therefore minus 1.63, and Q2 last year 0.14. Equity is 56.22 crores. Equity is a little high. So it has performed well in the current quarter. Market price currently is around 50. Price earning is low at 5.89. So price earning is low because in the textile many companies have got low price earning because their performance is topsy-turvy zigzag. Volumes are 29,000, not very great but not low, okay. 52-week low is 24.7, 52-week high is 63.95, nothing great. Current market price is 50. 52-week high is 63.95. Now, if you look at the last 5 years results, sales have improved. See, March 2016 year, 766 crores. From there, sales have improved every year consistently, and now in March 2020 year, 1438. From 766 crores, it has improved to 1438 crores. But net profit has been topsy-turvy again. 44 crores was the net profit in March 2016. Next year 57 crores, next year 52 crores, next year 64 crores. But last year, that is March 2020, hardly 23 crores. So, but of course, the current year may improve. Cash flows during March 2020 year, operating activities earned 98 crores, investing activities spent 216, financing activities 115. So ultimately net cash flow is -2. Okay, investing activities, they are expanding. But the expansion should result in greater sales and profits. Let us see. That is in the future. Book value has improved from 45 to 88 in the 5 years. Dividend is very low. Face value is 10 rupees. Dividend is 60 paise last year. 1 rupee 25 paise previous year. So dividend payout is very low in Nitin Spinners. Gross profit margin 11.95, okay. Operating margin 6.34, low. Net profit margin is very low at 1.65%. Return on net worth is low at 4.82. ROCE, return on capital employed, is 7.47. Return on assets is very low at 1.44. Debt equity ratio is 1.95, a little high. Asset turnover ratio is 87.4. So other ratios are nothing much to mention. Now historical prices, if you look at that, 3 years before the price was 125. 3 years before the price was 125, now 49, something like that. So it has come down during the last 3 years. 2 years before also it was 84. It had come down from 125 to 84 2 years before. 1 year before it came down to 55. And 3 months before it was hardly 39. Now it is around 49, something like that. As I said, the dividend percentages are very low. 6%, 12%, something like that. Shareholding is okay. Promoters hold 56%. Pledge is 0. So 0 pledge is there, but there is some amount of, not very great, debt is there. So this is Nitin Spinners. It has done well in the current quarter. Will it do well in the next quarter? We'll have to wait and see. But we'll have to keep in mind such companies which have done well in this quarter. COVID effects are not yet gone fully. Therefore, we have to keep it in mind. And next time, you watch. If it performs well next time also, then it has become very profitable. This time it is very profitable. Next time you watch and take your decisions. Thank you for watching. I will come up with a very good share next time.